All right. It's Brian Frell, and I'm back. So, you know how we do. We come online each and every time and show you how to get that crypto, get paid each and every day. Very easy ways. And now we're going to continue that tradition and show you another way that you can make some free crypto by doing some simple clicks. And this will give you the ability to make unlimited crypto. And you can make this, you can decide how you want to get paid. So you can decide if you want Bitcoin, if you want Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. You get to choose, right? So that's a good thing. We like to have choice, like to have the ability to take control of our financial future in the crypto space. Now, as you see, I've made several videos make crypto and earn from crypto in different ways here in the passive income stream. And I'm just going to show you today another cool new website that I found that is really taking off. It's free to use. Don't need to have any referrals. Don't need to have any money, but you can earn unlimited crypto from this. And we're going to go ahead and get started with that right now. Okay, cool. All right, now before we get into that, we got to get to this. Now, I am not your financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Everything you do in life, online and offline, is a risk. You need to do your own due diligence and seek your own financial advice for your own financial situation. And most importantly, you never spend money you cannot afford to lose. Got it? Cool. All right, so I've been showing you guys some of my favorite sites to make the free crypto when you don't need any money to put down. One of them is going to be Cointiply. Go ahead and grab this free crypto right here real quick. Roll on the faucet. You can come in here and you can also do various things like point-to-click ads, and you earn some free coins right there. Those free coins are converted into Bitcoin when you get paid out. So if you want to earn Bitcoin for free, this is a cool site. You can do that on right here. The coins you earn, you pay out in dollar value, and you get paid out in Bitcoin directly to your Bitcoin wallet. No fees. Great thing to do. Second site I've been showing you guys is going to be CoinPot. CoinPot's a great news site as well. Just started here in 2022, so I'm loving it as well. Pretty easy to do, just like Cointiply. We take advantage of doing the free faucet rolls, and you can come in here and do the free faucet rolls every 5 minutes, and you get paid out directly. So right now you'll see that I've got back on my dashboard. I'm going to show you that we have approximately 9,508 coins. Didn't put any money into the account. 24 people have joined me in getting paid from this website for free. And then we'll go ahead and these different ways you can get paid from offer walls, claiming faucets, daily bonuses, point to click, short clicks, all this nature. You can check it out. I made a video about that before, and you'll see that video was right here and right here as well. So I'll drop the link below this video to my YouTube page where you can go back and check out how to get these set up. But real quick, we're just going to do a quick payout on this video, showing you how CoinPot pays out instantly. Before we do, let's go ahead and grab some more of this free crypto. Let's check our daily bonus, see if we have a daily bonus to grab yet. Let's see, we do. All right, so each day you come in here, if you continue a streak, you get to get additional rewards, boosting your energy, giving you bonus earnings and your experience, and that actually increases how much you get to earn each day when you roll with the free faucet without having to put any money down at all. Okay, go ahead and claim this the bonus, and as you see right there, bonus claimed successfully. Right? Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and jump over to the faucet. Let's claim this free faucet. And it's going to count down for 5 seconds, and then we're going to press collect your reward. Now we're going to answer the anti-bot links in the order that's given. So we need 5, 9, and then 8. So we'll do 5, we'll do 9, and we'll do 8. And then we'll also see that we have to go ahead and choose the upside down picture. We'll click this one, and then what I like to do is just go ahead and I like to boost this. If you can boost it, that's the best thing to do. You get paid some additional coins, or you can just click claim and just get the regular amount. I'm going to go ahead and boost it. And when you boost it, you see I got paid 55.3025 coins, okay? Instead of getting paid just the 50.2, I got paid the 55. Now you can come back every 5 minutes and get paid from that. And then as you're continuing to do those, you can do the point-to-click, short links, actually make achievements. You continue to do certain things over and over again. then you can get some bonus rewards here as well. And then once you're done, you can also buy ads here, get paid from people watching your own ads. And most importantly, we want to be able to withdraw. So the cool thing about this site, the only thing you need really to get started is just a verified email account. So make sure you get a verified email address, preferably a Gmail address. And then now we're going to go ahead and make a withdrawal. And our withdrawal preferred is going to be through Faucet Pay because that's how we get paid instantly, right? And then I actually want to get paid. You can get paid in any of these methods here. I personally like getting paid out in Bitcoin from this website here. So I'm going to choose Bitcoin. And you'll see there's no fee to get paid out. But the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 coins. I've got 9,564, which is going to equate to this amount of Bitcoin right here. And it will go to my Bitcoin or my Faucet Pay withdrawal address. So real quick, jump over to Faucet Pay, and we'll show you that if you look here, back on Faucet Pay, everything looks great. And you'll see that my last payment I got was on March 7th. Today is March 17th. So we'll go ahead and we'll do a withdrawal here from CoinPot. And we'll withdraw this. And this is going to go to Faucet Pay and the Bitcoin currency. These are the amount of coins I'm going to trade in. This is the amount of Bitcoin I'll receive. And this is my address for Faucet Pay. I'll go ahead and confirm that. And good job, 9,564 coins have been sent to your account. We'll click OK there. We'll jump back over to Faucet Pay. We're going to go ahead and refresh Faucet Pay. And we'll now see that CoinPot paid us out the Satoshi, 235 Satoshis in Bitcoin today on March 18th. So you see, instant payment right there from CoinPot. Now, moving on to my next website that I found that I really love. This is going to be KiddyEarner. This is a great little website here. Now, this site is chock full of a lot of ads, but it's very free to use, very easy to do. You can earn money very quickly and earn, several forms of Bitcoin or Litecoin or whatever it is you want to get paid out. So let's go ahead and show you how that works here. So you just need an email address to get verified. Again, I prefer Gmail. And the preferred thing I like to do here, like with all my sites, is just do a faucet claim. Okay. Now, the cool thing about the faucet claim is that when you come on here, you're actually going to see that you're going to earn a lot of coins, 250,000 coins per row. Okay, there's no timer currently right now, which means my timer is at 0. I can actually reclaim, and it's unlimited claims left. Okay, like I mentioned, you can get unlimited claims. This is the amount of coins you're earning right here on the website, which will convert into actual cryptocurrency when we're ready to withdraw. All right, so just scroll down. Very easy to do. Please click on the any bot links in the following order. That's going to be 3 plus 4, 2 plus 4, and 1 plus 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Boom, we'll click that. 2 plus 4 is 6. We'll click that. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. We'll click that. And now we'll select the car. This is the car right here. And then we'll scroll down and we'll choose to collect the reward. And you'll see in just a matter of moments, they'll go ahead and pay us out 250,000 coins. We'll say OK. And that's reflected right here. And you'll see the timer is only counting down 1 minute. So in 1 minute's time, I can come back and do the same thing again and claim another 250,000 coins, unlimited times, over and over and over again. Cool thing too, kind of point to click ads. Now we have 3 ads available. This ad's 5 seconds long. I'll get 185,000 coins. This ad right here is 5 seconds long. I'll get 185,000 coins as well. And then here's the third ad. Now there's all kinds of different little pop-ups and other things you'll see here. You don't need to click on anything else but the actual things that I'm clicking on, which is actually going to give you the action and get you the results. Okay, let's go ahead and do this quick ad here real quick, and let's get paid from this little quick ad. Click on, you'll see it count down here for the 5 seconds. Boom, we're good. We'll go ahead and we'll verify that we are ready to collect our reward by clicking on the house. We'll verify. All right, and then we'll return back to Kitty site and tell us that we earned 185,000. We'll go ahead and collect on all 3 of these real quick here. Just show you how quickly you can actually earn this free crypto. All right, so go ahead and complete that. It says click on the plane. Boom, boom. And we've done that. Then we're going to jump back over to the website. Boom. All right, 185,000 coins for there. And the final point to click ad that we're going to do today. Give it the 5 seconds to count it down. All right, Click on the car. Boom. All right. Got that earned. Right. And boom. There it is, 185,000. So now we got 5,535,000 coins there. Now you also have some window ads. You can also do the another cool option here people like to do nowadays is they like to stake. Now, if you like to stake, that basically means you're going to actually deposit money into the website and allow them to pay you out based on how much you deposit and stake with them on this website. So why staking? Staking is a great way to increase your crypto. You need to deposit your crypto into our website. Then you need to stake your crypto. There are many packages with interest percentage. Stake your crypto and earn great rewards for this. So you'll see here, the starting staking amount is going to be just $5 minimum, $5, $1,000 to get started, or $1,000 total for this particular kitty booster. This one will actually run 30 days. You're going to earn 6% interest. Okay. If you want to do a little bit more, you can go with this one. It's $20. This will earn you 13% interest and will last for 80 days, up to $5,000 max deposit. This one is going to be a minimum deposit of $500, and then you'll actually earn 20% crypto, 20% interest. And then the final one option is a $100 minimum, and you're going to earn 15% for 90 days. Okay, so if you want to take advantage of these, you can. You don't have to. It's really up to you. You just click stake and deposit right here. Deposit money into the account if you want to, or ready to withdraw your funds out. You can go ahead and click that right here. Of course, you can also create ads for other folks to watch, like this ad right here. Someone created, and they're getting paid for it being seen. The point-to-click ads I clicked on earlier, someone created those. They're getting paid each time a person like me or like you comes on the website and clicks it for free. When you get paid, I get paid. When I get paid, you get paid. Let's get paid together, all right? So if you want to deposit any money into the site and create your own ads and get paid from this site as well, along with the other great ways you can get paid, this is how you do it. Now, there is a quick little option right here, like in the first site we showed you in CoinPot. You have the achievements. In the achievements, you basically going to get paid for doing certain things consecutively, right? So when you have so many faucet claims, you're going to earn some rewards here as they listed, and you earn some extra energy. Do the same thing for completing the short links, and it's just up to you to decide, what you want to do, and this refreshes each day at 000 UTC daily. Okay, universal time code. Now, here is a special little area called a quiz. Now, before we get into the quiz, I want you guys to know that this is a plus and a minus option here for you. Pros and cons, okay? You don't have to do it, but if you want to get some quick money, you can, okay? So I'll show you really quick. This is the quiz section. Now, you can get, you can actually earn $150,000 for a correct answer, but you'll get deducted $75,000 for an incorrect answer, okay? I got 50 claims left. So this, I kind of like this yes and no because it's easy to do. Answering the quizzes, they're quick, but they're timed. So if you run out of time, you wind up losing out on getting the wrong answer, and you can wind up losing 75,000 coins. Okay, just like I just did just now because I didn't answer the question. So let's go ahead and real quick, let's jump in here. I'm gonna grab a calculator because it appears that each one of these is based on a mathematical equation. Let's go ahead and say that's 47 times 33. That's 151. I'm gonna click right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and claim that. And let's see if I did it in time. And did I get it in time? Nope, I think I ran out of time. Okay, so this is timed, as you see, right? So let's go back to the calculator here. So we got 143 plus 746 equals 889. I'm gonna click there. I got just a few seconds to claim it. I'm gonna claim there. And did I win? Did I win? Did I get it? Yes, correct answer. 150,000 has been added to the balance. Okay. Now you can do this 50 times per day, but as you see, if you miss the answer or you get timed out, you'll actually lose some coins there. So you got to be quick. So let's do one more really quick here. Let's see if I can get it done real quick. 895 divided by 55 is going to be 16.27. Oh, I wasn't quick enough. All right, I got to redeem myself, guys. Got to redeem myself. Let's get one more in real quick, okay? 102 minus 508 is going to be negative 406. We'll click on negative 406. We'll claim that real quick. And did I win? Did I win? Boom, 150,000 coins, okay? Now, I'm jumping out of there. Getting back to the user panel. So, the quizzes can pay you. They can pay you very quickly, but they are timed, so you got to be quick, got to be on your toes. If you get a wrong answer or you take too much time and the timer runs out, which I think you only get like 10 seconds per question, then you can actually wind up losing a little bit of coin. So no, do your own due diligence, do what you feel is right for you. Now done that, let's go ahead and see if we can go ahead and make a withdrawal on this site as well. Now, withdrawal, we're going to again go over to the Faucet Pay website. That's how we get paid the quickest. You're going to go ahead and enter your email account for Faucet Pay or Coinbase based on the actual token that you want to withdraw to. So we see we have Bitcoin through Faucet Pay, we have Tron, we have Dogecoin, we have Shiba, we have Litecoin, we have USDT. Now, I believe to only pay out the ones that have the 100% filled in right here. I did get paid out in Bitcoin before. I'm going to try it just to see what happens if you try to claim something that's not filled in the green. See how these have the green bars filled in? So this will probably not work. And I just want to give you guys an idea of what happens if you try to withdraw these coins and you actually don't have it. This faucet does not have sufficient funds for that transaction. Okay, so we can't get the Bitcoin right now. Let's go ahead and see if we can get paid out in Tron. Now, remember, you want to actually link to Faucet Pay. So you want to be collecting these items that are right here. So we have Tron available, and we have some other items available there. Let's go ahead and let's collect some Tron, because Tron, it says I'll get 0.083 Tron for this amount of coins here. So let's go ahead and click on that. Let's go ahead and click on withdrawal, and boom. So the 834,000 Satoshi have been sent to your account. We'll go back over to the Faucet Pay, and then we'll go ahead. That should be the Tron filling in right here, right? So let's go ahead and let's refresh that. And boom, there's a Tron. There it is. So instant payout. So there it is. Got some great examples of 3 websites that I like to use. They're completely free. You don't have to spend any money. You don't need any referrals. And you can actually make unlimited crypto just by doing some simple clicks, choosing on how you want to get paid, and then just get paid instantly. There's no fees to get paid from either of these 3 sites. There's no referrals required, no deposit required. Although, if you do make a deposit, you earn money faster because you can, increase your different ways of earning. If you have referrals, you earn money faster because, of course, you can earn from other people's actions as well. And that's how we make our passive income here in 2022. So with that being said, below this video, you'll see the links to get started for each of these 3 programs that I've shown you tonight. Very simple to do, very easy. Rewatch this video if you need to see how to do it again. I'll also leave the links on how to actually set up each one of these as I've made videos before. Very easy to do. Like I said, most things you just need to verify a real email address. And that's it. Don't use in, otherwise you will get banned on getting this free crypto. And with that being said, go ahead and smash that like button because I know you'd like to make that crypto in 2022. Go ahead and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I'm dropping a new channel. By subscribing to my channel, hit that red box, and that way you'll get added to my list of YouTube channels or YouTube videos that I drop and show you how to make crypto each and every time we come online here in 2022. And of course, leave me a comment. Let me know how you like to get that free crypto, and let me know if you have any problems or concerns using these websites. I'll be glad to help you out. With that, this is Brian Farrell signing out. Get that crypto, and I'm out.